Well, back to another edition of Shoeminator's Garage. And you know, sometimes you just run across silly stuff that just happens to work, right? So, you know, my trusty assistant is doing a little bit of help at his boss's garage, you know, or shop. And, you know, he's tearing out some shelves and whatever. And this thing's kind of useless. You know, so he cut stuff down, but this is like, what, 2x12s, I think? Wood's expensive nowadays, you know? So this thing here kind of just gets thrown here because we don't want to waste wood. But, you know, it's right here at the opening of the garage, you know? But, hey, you know, so kind of getting in the way. It turns into a work stand, turns into some bullshit. But you know what? Guess what? This is a pretty damn good height. You know, yeah, I mean, you could throw whatever the hell you want up here. Look at perfect arm's length. I'm not the tallest dude in the world. You know, some bug spray. You know, obviously, got your, you know, beverage of choice. Yes, and we should all be drinking water. That's some good stuff. Too, but... you know, I mean, you can throw whatever the hell you want. Yeah, it's wood, so my magnetic tray ain't gonna stick, but whatever I throw in there, that's magnetic's gonna stick in there. You know, some screwdrivers, your diagram, whatever the hell you want. Basically, whatever fits up there. You know, it's like perfect height for whatever I'm working on out here, which in the dark is nothing right now. But, you know, I got damn El Camino stuck on the lift forever putting floorboards in it. Whatever. This thing just happened to work out perfect. You know, perfect height. It is what it is. And more importantly, like I said, it is absolutely the perfect height for Shoeminator's bar top, portable bar top, Shoeminator's portable bar top. So, go put some wheels. I mean, look at it. Right? There's flat feet on it. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and give you dimensions or whatever, tell you to go build this damn thing. All I'm saying is, sometimes just silly, stupid shit that, like, turns out to be just a waste of space, turns out to be something good. So, cheers to that. And here's the Shoeminator's portable garage bar top. And don't forget to take care of your dogs too, because let's face it, we love them and they're the ones keeping the rats out of this place. There you go, baby.